In this video I'm going to show you how to use the data mapper to add a tire and wheel brand to your website that you've created off a spreadsheet. So we'll select product setup, data mapper, and now we're going to go find on our computer the file, the CSV spreadsheet. In this case we'll do Bazo, and it'll upload the Bazo spreadsheet and match the column headers and the product data with it. This process might take a few minutes. If you export one of our tire or wheel data sheets, then you'll be able to see the column headers that we use, and you'll be able to see that we'll match them up perfectly when we bring in a spreadsheet so they match up, so you don't have to fill any of these in. They're already preloaded. So once you see they're already there, they're filled out and they match up, you click parse. This also might take a few minutes depending on how big your spreadsheet is, but this will bring the product data onto the screen so you can view it. The first thing you want to do is you want to select which product type this is. It's a product with wheels. You click duplicate to make them all product with wheels. Make sure your brand matches with the brand that's on your website that you created. Make sure your wheel category is your main category is wheels, and your subcategory is also the category that you have selected on your website, which is the brand. You can scroll over just to look at the other information. You can also look at the application view of each product. You have here the product type, and you have the part number. You can scroll over to look at the web pricings, the shipping dimensions, and if you scroll all the way to the end, you will be able to see the wheel data right here that's getting ready to get uploaded to your spreadsheet to make sure it's all correct: the finish, the bolt pattern, the offsets, the hub bores, and the diameters. So once you feel that this is all correct, come back to the beginning and you'll click next to go to the next screen. When you get to this screen, this is very important. One of the first things you want to do is, even though it has a category assigned, you want to reassign that category. So you'll select all of the products that are there, click assign category. You'll select the category that you're going to, which is wheels, and you'll select the brand that you want to put those wheels into, which is Bazo. Select this. This is a re-verification for the category. Once that's complete, you'll now have all the wheels selected. Select the ignore validation errors button. This is going to let us bypass adding the image to the file here, so we can individually add the picture, the general image, to it on the next screen. So make sure you have that box checked. Hit create products, and once you do that, depending on how long your spreadsheet is, it will create the products onto your website and store them in a file so we can add the pictures to them. Click OK. We're now going to go to the upload to server folder where all the data is being stored until we add the pictures to them. So that everything is pending right now because we have not done the final validation to add them to the website. So in this screen right here, we have to select each individual wheel, and we have to edit the wheel and add the general image to each model of the wheel before we can finish adding the wheel to the website. Simply edit the wheel, and you'll be able to go in. You'll see everything here. You can actually click the application to see the applications of what everything is on the wheel, of all the dimensions and the specs of the. Once you click product, you'll select general image. You'll click new. You can highlight this and just copy and paste this here to give it alternate tag. Now you're going to go search your folder to where you have your pictures located. In this case I have mine located under Bazo wheels. Make sure we have which one we will do, the B402 gloss black. Open it, click save. Now you have your image stored in here, click Save on this particular product. Go back to Management, and you'll do this for every wheel that you have. Now they're on the last wheel, you can simply set your last wheel up, and here sometimes you may get an error depending on what size your picture is. Shopping Cart Elite will automatically resize your image for you to the correct appropriate size. So if you do get an error here, it says resize, you can simply say yes and it will make the size for you. This just simply lets your products get onto the website. After your wheels are on the website, you can go back and you can add in the application section different images if you like, or videos for the products and PDFs, all those sort of things. But you can do that later on. Our main concern here is just getting the wheels and products on the website now. So once we have the last one done, we click Management, we click Save to make sure all of them are saved, and then we click select them all and click Upload to Server. After you click Upload to Server, all products were uploaded successfully. Click OK. Now they will get put into a final validation mode, which is the last step before hitting your website. Here you can select all, and then you click Approve. Press OK. And in a few minutes you'll see your wheels on the website.